Howdy everybody, so I'm here at Peterbilt, South Dallas. Flip this around. Somebody got towed. Oh, he's picking up a trailer. So this is the steering wheel. This is the old steering wheel, or the original steering wheel. This cover just pops right off. And then there's two wires, a positive and a negative, that plugs into the back of this for your horn. See that little horn icon there? And then there's this other connector right here. And you can see all the corrosion that was there. They got to replace that pigtail, and they have to replace the steering wheel. The steering wheel is electronic, has all these fancy buttons on it for cruise control and the stereo features, phone features, stuff like that, volume, and it has a menu button right here that controls the LED display. So a lot of electronics built into the steering wheel. Well, when this connector right here, when this thing corroded, it created a short, and as a result it fried the electronics. It's the best way I can explain it. And when it did that, because it created a short, my power windows wouldn't work. None of my buttons over here for the suspension, that wouldn't work. None of these buttons would work. It was drivable, but the engine fan would stay on. You know, the engine fan would be engaged, I mean, for no reason. It was like the truck became possessed. Well, it became possessed because it had electrical short right here, and that created the feedback, you know, probably to the computer, and that affected multiple systems. But in the process, it also fried the steering wheel. So the steering wheel has to be replaced. This pigtail has to be replaced. And I approved the estimate, and it was about $2,500. And it was 1 month past the warranty. So there's 3 warranties on this truck when I bought it. I had the Cummins engine warranty, and I have the pack car after treatment system warranty, and then they have those two go up to 500,000 miles, and we're at 394,709 right now. And then they had a frame warranty, and the frame warranty expired in January 1. Here it is, February 1. Had this happened 30 days ago, it would have been under warranty. so that's just the nature of the beast.